Namaste. Hope all of you are doing well. Continuing with this experience of connecting with you all and sharing my experiences about whatever journey that I have made in the field of design. Here I am sharing some new thoughts on the field of design. Um, Many of you might think about like design as just one another profession, like how doctors are or teachers are. But for me, when I look to design, I can connect design as part of life. So how I just remember when I am talking about this, I remember about one of our professors who used to teach us chemistry in the college. What he used to say is, chemistry is everywhere. It's not in the book. It's not on the board when I'm writing those equations, but it's everywhere. The moment you get up in the morning and you're brushing your teeth, your toothpaste is chemistry. The toothbrush, out of what it is made, is chemistry. So like that, it's so much related at that time. Like it helped us to connect chemistry at a different level, taking out that bookish knowledge. So similarly, I think about design. Design is not something a separate part of life. It is so much integrated with whatever we are doing in life. So, like for example, I can relate design with each and every action that we do. And like for example, when I am sitting here or wherever you are sitting, suppose you're sitting in a living room and watching me on a device, the device that on which you are watching this video has been designed by someone. The chair where you are sitting or place wherever you are sitting is being designed by someone. So it's part of design. Design is everywhere. Each action that we take in our life has some relation to design. And the exciting part about design is that whatever actions that you are doing, you are using tools to achieve whatever you want to. Suppose, like for example, if you have to, the action is you're traveling from one place to other. What you are using, the system, the transportation system, the vehicle that you're using, the way you are buying the ticket for it, or if it's your own transport, then the experience that you have in that particular action, if it's a well designed product that you are using, whatever tool it is to carry out whatever action that you want to perform, if it is designed well, the whole experience becomes such an enjoyable experience for you. But suppose if it is not designed well, there are some flaws in it, then you don't really enjoy that experience that much. So that's the power of design. It can make your life so enjoyable, so satisfying if it is designed well by the designer. So, as I mentioned earlier, that there are each and every action is uh, it's where the design plays a role. So there are all these different design disciplines. So as I mentioned earlier, suppose if we take the example of this space where you are sitting. So the space has been designed by the architect or interior designer. The furniture that is being there is designed by furniture designer, or the curtains that you have in that room are designed by a textile designer. The paints and the ceiling or other gadgets, those have been designed by a product designer. And taking to suppose we take example of another action as say children playing on a playground with some toys, or so that ball that they are playing with, or the place, the garden, the group that has been designed by something. So take, name any action and it has been designed by, and there's some design discipline to it. So these are about the physical products. There are also digital products like the the life, especially for past 2 years with the pandemic, the life has become so virtual, digital. So every software application that you're using is designed by some a designer, the graphic designer, or UX or UI as it is called, as user experience or user interface, how you are interacting with that application, what which button you need to press, and then what kind of screen comes in that, what are the options that you were getting. Someone has deliberately put thought in all this experience that you will have as an end user, and that is what is UX and UI design. For some of you, maybe these are some terms that you don't come across in your day to day life, but that doesn't mean that it's complicated. So, if you think in this way, that everything that you are dealing with, or all the actions that you're performing using whatever tools that you have, has been designed by someone, and some designer has put in some effort in doing that, you will have probably a different perspective to look at things, and maybe this might help you in choosing a right product when you want to buy a new product for you, where you will be able to see or focus more on what experience you want to get using that product, and whether, so some product may be right for you because you want that particular things from it, but for your friend his needs might be different, so he might like something else. So with this these thoughts, probably it will help you in seeing a world from a different perspective, and it will make your activities or your actions that you are doing more enjoyable. You will become more aware about it. So that's how I think it will definitely help you. So give it a little thought, and I hope that this is something valuable thoughts that you will think over it, and it will definitely help you in some way or the other. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.